Welcome back. Today I'll be making two clay charms. One is rabbit and another one is tortoise. One of my friend has asked me, "Can you make a tortoise for me?" So I thought I could make it today. And I'm cleaning the table using isopropyl alcohol. I have bought some clay cutters long back. I haven't opened till then. Let's see how it is performing. Before I start cutting, I'm just dusting using corn flour so that it won't stick with the clay. It came out really well. Now I'm going to try some detailed design. I will list down the link of this cutter in the description below. If you want, you can check it later. Now it's time for sculpting. I got few queries in my comments that how to prevent your clay from cracking. There might be due to several reasons, but the main thing to note to avoid cracking is like knead your clay properly before sculpting. And another thing is when you are preparing your clay, make sure that you are using the correct proportion of your ingredients to avoid cracking. Try to work with your clay as fast as you can because when it is exposed to air, it starts drying, which can make your clay brittle. That's why it might prone to cracking. If the clay is too dry, it may crack when molded or shaped. So to avoid the dryness, you can use Vaseline and knead your clay thoroughly. Use the right flour. I personally use corn flour or cornstarch for making my clay. Rabbit is done. Let it dry for some time in a shady place. Drying too quickly could also be a reason why it is cracking. So avoid using direct sunlight for drying. the clay to make a tortoise. I am using green color. If you are trying anything wrong, which I have mentioned earlier, try to rectify it so that you will get a very smooth clay to work with. To be honest, this was the hardest thing to do, to add this hexagon pattern in the tortoise body. If you haven't watched my previous videos, do watch, and if you don't want to miss out any videos in the future, do subscribe. Thank you.